In this video, we will show you how to refund from Hostinger. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. Okay, so before initiating the refund process, Hostinger recommend you download all the necessary data since your services will be canceled as soon as you submit the refund request. Files, databases, and emails will be deleted permanently, right? Now, once you download all the information you need, you may proceed with the refund request by navigating to the list of paid invoices on your H panel, all right? Here on your H panel, you will find all the invoices of the last 30 days. And if the invoice is refundable per the refund policy, the refund button will appear right corner right here. Okay. Next, you'll find the list of invoice items and select the services you wish to refund and click on continue. For example, you selected single shared hosting, right? And if applicable, you'll encounter a notice stating that your data will be lost upon submission, all right? Here, by checking the verification mark and click on continue. Finally, proceed to click on request fund and your request will be completed. And of course, you will receive an email confirmation to check the refund status at any time. Navigate to the billing right here. Here's the status. Also the payment history section. After the email confirmation, you should receive the refund after a few hours or up to a few days, depending on the payment method used for the purchase. All right. But remember, guys, the refund request is not reversible, so all files, databases, emails, and any configuration are permanently lost. And if you change your mind after requesting the refund, you will need to purchase a new service and restore the backups, all right? And backups of website created with Hostinger website builder cannot be downloaded, so you have to be very careful, all right? That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.